In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Mailchimp. Let's get started right from your Mailchimp dashboard. Open your campaigns area. This is where all your emails live, from drafts to scheduled and sent messages. Find the campaign you want to tweak and click Edit to open it. Once you're in, choose Edit Design to enter the email builder, where you can make visual and text changes to your content. Inside the builder, click into the text block you want to adjust and highlight the exact text that needs new spacing. Highlighting is important because Mailchimp applies line spacing to the selected text, or to the entire block if nothing is selected. As soon as your text is highlighted, look at the formatting toolbar that appears above or beside the editor. You're looking for the line height icon, which usually looks like a small set of lines with up and down arrows. Click that icon to open your spacing options. You'll see choices like single, 1.25, 1.5, and double. Here's how to decide what works best. Single keeps lines tight and compact, useful when space is limited or when you're working with small snippets of text, like captions. A line height of 1.25 gives a subtle bit of breathing room, which can make paragraphs feel more open without changing your layout too much. A setting of 1.5 is a popular choice for readability in most newsletters because it balances comfort and space, especially for longer paragraphs. Double spacing creates lots of air between lines and can be helpful for emphasis, legal text, or designs that need a very open feel. Once you pick an option, you'll see the spacing update immediately in the editor, so you can judge how it looks with your fonts, sizes, and layout. If the text feels crowded, try stepping up to 1.5. If it feels too spread out, step back to 1.25. Keep in mind that line height works best when you avoid stacking extra blank lines. Combining empty lines with a large line height can create oversized gaps. Consistency across your headings, body text, and footers also helps your email look polished and professional. Repeat the same approach for any other text blocks that need attention. Click into the block, highlight the text, tap the line height icon, and choose the spacing that fits your design. That's all there is to it. By navigating to campaigns, opening edit, going into edit design, highlighting your text, clicking the line height icon, and selecting single, 1.25, 1.5, or double, you can quickly fine-tune readability and give your emails a clean, consistent look.